Hey guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and today we're checking out a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic that we are adding to our gallery. If you guys want to check out more vehicles like this one, you can go to our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com to check out more. To get started, we're going to go over the 6-inch rough country lift kit that we added, which is going to raise the front 6 inches and the back 4 inches with a 4-inch block in the back and a 6-inch strut spacer in the front. That's going to allow us to fit a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a hybrid tire that's going to be a mix between an all-terrain and a mud tire. So that's going to give you best of both worlds with a nice performance on-road and also a nice aggressive look. You're going to have a nice aggressive tread pattern with also 2 different sides you can choose from, with having this one side that we chose, which is the more aggressive side that has more knobs that stick out more, or you can choose the other side that's going to have less of that and it's going to be not as aggressive. However, like I said, it's going to give you a nice performance on-road, give you nice traction, but it's also going to give you a nice wear life with them lasting 45 to 65,000 miles with the proper tire rotations. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Contra, which is one of the most popular wheels on the market right now. It's going to have a concave look, and that's going to have the spokes coming all the way from the center of the wheel all the way to the edge of the wheel. And it's going to be, and this one is the gloss black and mill finish, which is the D615. That's the model number. It's going to have most of the wheel being gloss black, with the millings being in between on the outside of the spokes and also on each rivet, as well as fuel, which is etched onto the outside of the lip as well. If you guys have any questions about this vehicle, the setup, or anything like that, or you want to build your truck, you can give us a call at 301-694-4642 or go to our Facebook page at Krietz Customs and message us there. Can't wait to help you out.